The 18Birdies app remains one of the most widely used golf companions in 2025, combining accurate GPS tools, advanced analytics, and a strong community focus in one platform. Golfers can track rounds on more than 40,000 courses, record scores digitally, and analyze stats to identify trends in performance. The app's design is sleek and intuitive, ensuring even first-time users can navigate its features quickly. The free version includes yardage maps, a digital scorecard, and distance tracking, making it sufficient for casual golfers. However, serious players often upgrade to the premium plan, which unlocks AI swing analysis, strokes gain statistics, and caddy-style recommendations based on personal data. Reviews in 2025 highlight accurate GPS readings, well-organized shot tracking, and a fun social component, allowing users to compare rounds and compete with friends. Yet there are some downsides. Subscription pricing has climbed close to $99 per year, which some find steep for a mobile app. And users still report occasional bugs, particularly with Apple Watch and shot syncing during live rounds. A handful of users also feel that swing analysis feedback can be somewhat generic compared to hardware-based launch monitors. Despite these issues, 18Birdies offers great overall value through accessibility, innovation, and continuous updates that keep it fresh for the golf community. Verdict: 18Birdies is a feature-rich and dependable golf tracking app, suited for both casual and competitive golfers. While the premium version's cost and occasional glitches may deter a few, its precision, usability, and community engagement firmly secure its place among the top golf apps of 2025.